Lasko fan not working. Step-by-step troubleshooting. Power, motor, and reset fixes. Safety first. Unplug the fan before inspecting, opening grills, or touching internal parts. If you smell burning, see smoke, or notice melted wiring, stop and unplug. Don't attempt internal repairs. Call a pro. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, multimeter, capacitors, stop and contact a qualified technician or Lasko support warranty. Tools and supplies handy to have. Screwdriver set, multimeter or outlet tester, fresh batteries for remote, compressed air, soft brush, sewing machine oil, only if manual allows, flashlight, rag. Quick sanity checks. Do these first. Confirm the outlet works. Plug another appliance, lamp, phone charger into the same outlet. If that doesn't work, try a different outlet or reset the GFCI breaker. Check the plug and cord. Look for frays, kinks, or loose prongs. If cord is damaged, don't use the fan until replaced. Power controls, buttons, remote. Try the manual control panel, not just the remote. Replace remote batteries. If the remote fails but panel works, the remote is the issue. Child lock, timer modes. Some Lasko models have a lock, sleep, or timer. Consult the sticker manual and try disabling those or power cycling the unit. Unplug, wait 60 seconds, replug. Breaker fuse check. Confirm your home circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Step-by-step troubleshooting, in order. Step 1. Power present, but no response. Action, plug fan into a known good outlet. Press the power button on the unit, not remote. If unit powers on, problem was outlet, remote, you're done. If still dead, unplug and move to the next step. Step 2. Soft reset, power cycle. Action. Unplug fan for 60 seconds. Press any buttons to discharge residual power, then plug back in and try again. Why? Clears electronic glitches in digital controls. Step 3. Fan hums but blades don't spin. Symptom. Motor makes a humming noise. Blades are stuck or barely move. Likely cause. Faulty start-run capacitor or stiff bearings. Checks and fixes. With fan unplugged, remove front grille and try spinning the blades by hand. If they spin freely, capacitor is suspect. If stiff, clean, and, only if manual permits, lubricate the shaft bearing lightly. Warning: capacitors can hold charge. Replacing a capacitor is best done by a technician if you're not experienced. Step 4. Blades obstructed or jammed. Symptom: motor tries to run or blade moves jerkily. Fix: unplug, remove grill, clear debris, hair, dust. Ensure blade is seated and nut is snug, not over-tightened. Step 5. No hum, no motor sound. Symptom: nothing from motor, no hum. Step 5. No hum, no motor sound. Symptom: nothing from motor, no hum. Likely cause: broken power switch, wiring, or dead motor. Checks: use a multimeter to check for continuity through the power cord or switch. Only if you know how. If no power reaches motor but control board has power, internal wiring or switch or PCB may be bad. Time for pro repair or replacement. Step 6. Oscillation not working. Fan runs but won't oscillate. Likely cause: strip plastic gear, broken oscillation linkage, or jam. Fix: unplug, remove rear grille, inspect oscillation gear for broken teeth or jammed pin. Replacing the gear is often inexpensive but requires partial disassembly. Step 7. Remote control panel problems. Replace batteries, try manual buttons. If neither response, reset, unplug 60 seconds and try again. If button presses are unresponsive or sticky, the control board may be failing. Step 8. Excessive vibration or new loud noise. Check blade balance, bent blade, tighten mounting hardware, clear debris, and confirm grill is straight. Replace bent blades or tighten screws. Quick decision guide. When to repair versus replace, call a pro. Try DIY fixes if outlet breaker, remote batteries, debris removal, or simple cleaning, lubrication fix it. Call a pro replace fan if smell of burning, visible wiring damage, motor completely dead, no hum, capacitor replacement needed and you're not experienced, or if the unit is under warranty. Replacement is often cheaper than a complex motor repair on inexpensive fans. Small troubleshooting cheat sheet. Problem, likely cause, suggested action. Dead unit, no outlet power, trip breaker, test outlet, reset breaker. Unit powers but remote fails. Dead remote, IR receiver. Replace batteries, try manual buttons. Hums but won't spin. Capacitor or stuck bearings. Hand spin test, call pro for capacitor. Runs but no oscillation, strip gears, jam, inspect gears, replace parts. Intermittent power, loose plug, bad cord, internal wiring. Replace cord or call technician.